Hi everyone, we have a nice algebra equation x minus 3 is equal to x. Find the value of x. We will start the solution of this question. There are two methods to find the value of x. We will start by method 1. We have x minus 3 is equal to x. First of all, we will take a square on both sides of the equation. X minus 3 whole square is equal to x square. Now we know that a minus b square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2 into a into b. So we will apply formula here. We have x square plus 3 square minus 2 into x into 3 is equal to x square. Now this is x square plus 3 square is 9 minus 2 into 3 is 6x is equal to x square. We will subtract x square on both sides. X square plus 9 minus 6 x minus x square is equal to 0. X square cancel with x square. We will add 6x on both sides. We get 6x equals 9. Now divide both sides of the equation by 6. Divided by 6. 6 cancel with 6. 3, 3, 9. And 3 times 2 is 6. So we find the value of x, which is 3 by 2. Let's check this value of x with whether it is verifying the equation or not. We have x minus 3 equals x. So x is 3 by 2 minus 3 by 2. Taking the LCM 2, so 3 minus 2, 3 by 2. This is 3 minus 2, 3, 6. So this is minus 3 by 2 is equal to 3 by 2. No, this is not possible. Not possible. This equation have no solution. Whether we have find the value of x, which is 3 by 2, but this is a extraneous root. The root which does not satisfy the original equation is called extraneous root. So now we will move to the second method. We have given x minus 3 is equal to x. Subtract x on both sides. Minus 3 minus x is equal to 0. X cancel with x. Minus 3 is equal to 0. No, minus 3 is not equal to 0. This is not possible and no solution exists for the given equation x minus 3 equals x. So that's the question. We have used two methods. In the first method we find the value of x, but it does not satisfy the equation left hand side equal to right hand side. So no solution exists for this equation. I hope you understand this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon so that you get the notification of my new daily videos. Thank you for watching.